Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Financial Omniscient. Today Nifty opened at 15819 and closed at 15879 by gaining 61 points. Here we can see top 5 gainers and top 5 losers. Out of top 5 gainers, mostly metal stocks were performed well. This Tata Steel, JSW and Hindalco. And initially market in sideways, but after 130 there is a rally in the market and tried to reach our resistance point 15,900, but finally closed at 15,879. And whereas Bank Nifty opened at 35,550 and closed at 35,771. Total points gained 192. 10 stocks are in positive out of 12. The main top gainer is the RBL Bank, gaining 4.66%. Here chart also can see. Okay, initially there is a little downtrend, but after that it is continually rally. Touched previous yesterday resistance point 35,000. This 780 and closed at 35,771. And friends, for tomorrow, support and resistance for Nifty we have identified 15,800 as support and the resistance is 15,920, and if it is breached, next resistance is 16,000. Here you can see this I think fifth time Nifty has reached this 15,900. So market as is in bullish, so we can expect tomorrow also rally will continue, and hope possibly tomorrow it will breach 15,900 and can move upward. And here one thing you can observe, if you draw a trend line, see, okay, so multiple times market took support this trend line and move to upwards. So if it breaks below and sustain for at least 1 hour, then you can go for sell. And if the market come here and take support, it can bounce back, then you can go for buying. And please note that this 15,920 is the major resistance. And if you observe this OE data, both tomorrow expiry and this monthly expiry, here 16,000 there is a huge OE data is built. So call traders are believing that market will not move 16,000, and even at support even 15,500 there are huge put traders are believing that market will not move below 15,500. Okay, next whereas for Bank Nifty, and the support level is 35,500 and the resistance level same as yesterday 36,000, and if it is breached, next resistance is 36,300. And here also you can see today also market tried to breach yesterday resistance point, and we hope possibly tomorrow also it will breach and move towards 36,000. And here also you can observe one trend line. Multiple times it has took support of this trend line. So if it's break below, then you can go for selling, and if not break, then you can go towards buying. Okay, that's all for today friends, and if you like our video, please like, comment and subscribe our channel. And please note that this video is only for education purpose. Thank you.